It's like a little eyeball.
Proper drones through your ear holes. Flipping heck. Wait, where's Clio? That's fourth, third.
Keep me nice and safe in my new Driven 24/7 t-shirt. Oi oi! What to wear today? I know. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name's Amber. First time filming and driving this particular car we have behind me. Thanks to my brother. This is my brother's recent purchase. This is the Renault Clio 182. This particular Renault Clio 182 behind me is a 2 litre 16 valve version, non-turbo. So this being a Renault Clio 182 meaning from factory it would have had 182 horsepower. I'll have a look around the car in a minute. Like I said, my brother bought it as it is. It is a bit of a tatty example and it has been modified, so again we'll look under the bonnet. I'll show you around the modifications. So we've just got the bonnet up and the engine obviously on show. I'll talk to you about that in a minute. So like I said, this is a 2005 Renault Clio 182, 2 litre 16 valve. You see here it is actually nice and low all round. It really suits the car. Although my brother knew we were filming this today, it's actually in a really poor, dirty condition, but it is what it is. What I really like about the front French flag colouring in the grille there. I do like the wheel design, although obviously these are pretty much covered in brake dust. We've got the yellow calipers peeking through. The angle I like, and I didn't realise until I actually saw the car in a person, is double exhaust exit. So cool, and the whole back of the car just looks really nice and fat, really liking the back angle. We've also got an RS Renault Sport badge there, a nice little touch. Don't really get much of a spoiler on these things, quite surprising. Just on the inside of the car now, I've always liked this sort of classic Renault dials. We've got the proper big round steering wheel, Renault Sport badge down the bottom, 5-speed manual gearbox, got all your heating controls there. These seats are really nice, so it's like a half leather sort of Alcantara suede type feel with the Renault Sport stitched in. They are nice, they've got nice bolsters, so although they've got a racing type feel, they're actually really nice and soft to sit in, but they also hold you in. Back there, quite light and spacious with all the big windows around. Oh, what a weird little light that is, like a little eyeball. Got the Renault Sport kick plate there on the door sill. Also got these like aluminium type pedals there as well, which is quite cool. So as you can see from the engine bay, you can see we have a ram air induction kit with a nice silicone hose, JM RS. I don't know what sort of company that is. I'm not a specialist when it comes to Renault Clio modifications with the silicone hose, and then you've got the ram air. Running semi-slick tyres all the way around, look like Nankang ones. I've never driven a car with semi-slicks before. My brother states that after 5,000 RPM it pulls a lot harder because apparently it's got a dephaser pulley, aftermarket exhaust, and it is very obviously been decatted, as when me and Martin were just stationary in this car, it was really rattling through our ear holes. Yeah, eardrums were vibrating, so the more we keep this car moving, the better for us. Induction kit we've just had a look at, semi-slick tyres. Just noticed in the Clio 182 we are being wrapped around safely with these silver coloured seat belts. Reminds me of my bath. Obviously my bath's got the yellow, keeping me nice and safe in my new Driven 24/7 t-shirt. Oi oi! Start the car up because it is decatted and it's got an aftermarket exhaust system on it. It is so loud, so like I say, being stationary in this car, not moving, is just literally such an earache. So we'll get some outside exhaust shots in a minute. For anyone wondering, it's got 115,000 on the clock, so let's give it a start up. And it proper drones through your ear holes, it's so sore. Flipping heck. Bearing in mind this is my brother's second car, so he probably doesn't have to deal with that noise that much. So to be fair, when you're actually driving this car, it's not as droney as it is when obviously stationary stuck in traffic. Gearbox is nice. If anything, the throws are a bit big. Nice clear visibility all the way around. Steering again, it's on point. You can tell that when you put your foot down, it does want to go. And yeah, I don't know if I said this already about the suspension. It just, apart from obviously having to go slow over speed humps because it has been lowered, handles bumps and everything with ease, which again is probably surprising because it has been lowered. This is actually a K-Tech racing system. Just noticed that as I'm just sticking the GoPro on. That is super loud, isn't it? From front and back. Right, so just going to do a fourth gear pull, see what happens. Flipping heck, where's Flip? That's fourth, third. She pulls. There's fifth gear. So far right, it just handles really well. But yeah, it's just a real pleasure to drive. Just wants to go all the time. It's just so raspy and throaty. My brother used to have a Focus ST, and this sort of reminds me a bit of that. So I forget that I'm in a little Clio. I keep thinking I'm in something like my brother's old Focus ST. But really, this is just as fast as my Bath, but obviously my Bath's got a 1.4 turbo engine. This is a 2-litre 16 valve non-turbo running at, from factory, like I say, 182 horsepower. But yeah, I can see why my brother's wanted one for a while. First gear pull. Flipping out. Woo! Let's find that fifth gear. Yes! Nailed it. Down a country road now, some nice bends. Seems well planted to the ground. Even just tootling along down these country roads, like I say, these seats are sporty seats, but they're not too firm. They're really nice and comfortable, but again, they do have the nice big bolsters to hold you in. And the power is always there when you need it. Just put that foot down and it goes. If you were looking to have a daily car and a weekend toy, this is definitely a good option. It's my first time driving a sporty Renault. I used to own an old Mark 1, I think it was, Clio 1993. So apart from that, I haven't really driven many Renaults at all. It's corners so well. Such a good country driving car. Otherwise known as a track car. The grip is unreal. Oh, it just sounds lovely.
She blows, darling, she blows.
It's alright though, isn't it? So I think we're going to wrap this video up here, guys. A big thanks to my brother for letting me drive around in his Renault Clio 182 for a good few hours, and a big thanks to Martin, who's actually on the camera at the moment filming me. If you ask me the question, would I have one? I'm a petrol head, so of course I'm going to say yes. I wouldn't have it in the silver, admittedly. Better examples out there. Obviously, the more money you spend, the better example you're going to get. Really raspy, you forget you're in a little hot hatch. I've said that about cars before. It's a pleasure to drive, and a semi-slick just keep your proper grip to the road, and it just really wants to go around those corners. It's just a nice fun car, loud car because it's been decatted, but yeah, nice and comfortable. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, then please click that subscribe button and ring that bell so you're notified every time video goes up on my automotive YouTube channel. Follow me on all my other socials, you'll see them at the end of the video. Also, we've now got our new Driven 24/7 t-shirt, is that right, Martin?
It's good.
Yeah, now on the store, so link to the store is in the description below. www.driven247.co.uk. We've got loads of stickers on the website as well, so if you want to support me and my YouTube channel further, then do a buy. So although I'm not posting many YouTube videos lately, I'm trying to turn Driven 24/7 more into a sort of automotive brand with clothing and stickers, because that's the way that I can obviously make money. I don't make money out of this YouTube game, although I've probably got to go put some fuel in my brother's car for doing a video. So I spend a lot to make videos, whereas this clothing stuff, hopefully I can actually get some money back. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in another one. Brother is accidentally repping the Night Kids, whoever they are. But now, bro, it's about time you represent the old Driven 24/7, isn't it? So we've got Martin on the other side, preparing a space. So we recommend when you stick our vinyl stickers, you clean the area with glass cleaner. But it should make the vinyl easier to apply. Let's give this a go. There we go, bro. Hooked you up with a silver Driven 24/7 sticker. If you want one, guys, link in the description below to our store, www.driven247.co.uk. Looking fresh. You lucky people, because you are getting bonus clips.